Want to become a gym influencer on Instagram? Learn some of the best tips and tricks from top Instagram fitness influencers. Put a fresh spin on them and then start your own Instagram fitness influencer business. Here's how to grow your audience, build your brand, and start earning money as an Instagram fitness influencer. The first thing is very important. Choose your niche to stand out. Don't be generic. Be true to yourself. Find what works for you. There are many ways to succeed. Do a self-assessment and lean into your strengths. Maybe you might choose to focus on areas like weightlifting, yoga, or gym life. But that's not specific enough. Choose a very specific focus area. This will make you stand out from a sea of sameness. Macros with M offers macro tracking and nutrition programs. Paul Fabritz offers vertical jump workout plans and an app, custom branded by exercise.com, to log workouts. Tony Gentilcore offers training to set a new deadlift PR. So what should you do? Dive into yoga if you can provide tutorials, flexibility tips, or guided meditations for your followers. Maybe you want to explore gym lifestyle content like gym hacks, fitness fashion, or motivational posts for beginners. Consider functional fitness, sharing unique workouts, mobility drills, or recovery techniques. Maybe you want to create content for busy professionals with quick, effective workouts they can do in under 30 minutes. Target new parents by showcasing postnatal fitness routines or workouts with kids. Dial in your marketing copy to appeal to your target market. Focus on a specific sport, like basketball or running, to appeal to athletes looking for sport-specific training. Speak directly to the benefits and pain points that resonate with that market. Basketball players want to jump higher. Football players want to run faster, etc. Optimize your bio with a clear description of your focus, a link to your programs, and a strong call to action. Add a bit of humor to your bio. Britton Babe says she is the queen of home workouts. Is that true? Who knows? But it's fun, and she's amazing. You don't have to go too crazy. Something like, lifting weights and lifting spirits. DM me if you're ready to sweat and smile. Pin your best posts to the top of your Instagram profile to ensure new visitors see your standout content right away. And always be ready to get a great shot in the gym. Everything can be social content, though maybe it shouldn't be sometimes, let's be honest. Be professional. Use exercise.com to create a custom-branded fitness app that showcases your programs. With the exercise.com white-labeled software, your fitness brand, not some other company's, is front and center. Don't burn yourself and your community out by constantly promoting other companies' offers with sponsored posts. Build your own fitness brand with exercise.com. My custom-branded apps have made my life easier and helped streamline my online training, says Tony Gentilcore. Stick to a consistent posting schedule so your followers know when to expect new content. Create high-quality content with good lighting, clean backgrounds, and engaging visuals. Shoot your videos in aesthetically pleasing locations, like gyms with good natural lighting or open outdoor spaces. Okay, let's get specific. Here are some Instagram gym influencer tips and tricks. Post a gym expectations versus reality video, like pretending to do a perfect pull-up but ending up hilariously dangling. Don't think you have to sell out and dance like a monkey for views, but riding music trends as background music for your workouts is smart. Create a reel series like 5-minute burnouts or daily strength tips to keep viewers coming back for more. Post carousel content with step-by-step instructions for exercises or workout routines. Use carousel posts to explain workout progressions, like moving from beginner to advanced versions. Engage your audience by replying to comments, answering DMs, and asking questions in captions. Post a funny poll in stories. How many times have you rested between sets while scrolling Instagram? Leverage Instagram stories to share polls, Q&A sessions, and behind-the-scenes content. Drive followers to your own custom-branded fitness app from exercise.com. Build your own fitness brand and connect directly with your followers without the platform risk. Run a story series called My Gym Bag Essentials and sneakily add in an unexpected item, like snacks or a funny t-shirt. Sell workout plans directly through your own web platform, easily powered by exercise.com, and link them in your bio. Exercise.com software allows you to deliver these programs under your own brand with full customization. I sold a workout program and matched my yearly salary of in-person training within 2 weeks of selling to my community, shares Paul Fabritz, founder of PJF Performance. Offer exclusive online training programs to followers who want personalized coaching. Use exercise.com's tools to create custom packages for one-on-one coaching or group challenges. Key app features, from program delivery to scheduling, can be tailored to reflect your fitness brand. Use Instagram's guides to curate and organize your posts into helpful collections, like beginner workouts or nutrition tips. Run Instagram giveaways to boost engagement and attract new followers. Give away a free 1-month access to your exercise.com custom-branded fitness app or a custom workout plan as a prize. Post a humorous giveaway entry condition. Tag your gym buddy who always skips leg day. Use exercise.com to create and sell digital fitness products like ebooks, guides, and video courses. With white-labeled features, your products are delivered under your brand, reinforcing your professionalism. I am grateful to have been able to create an app for my online family to grow with, says Desiree Pfeiffer, CEO of DB Fit. Share examples of successful clients using your app, like their transformations or progress updates. Partner with local gyms or fitness brands for sponsored content and collaborations. Highlight fitness products or equipment you personally use in your workouts to build trust. Track your Instagram performance using insights to see what content resonates most. Pay attention to what type of posts drive profile visits, saves, and shares to refine your strategy. Host a 7-day fat burn challenge through your exercise.com powered platform and invite followers to join via Instagram. Host virtual fitness challenges through exercise.com to engage followers and build community. White labeling means your audience experiences your brand, not a third-party platform. Build your own brand, not some sponsor's brand. Use Instagram's question stickers to invite followers to share their biggest fitness challenges and answer them in stories or posts. Create a lighthearted challenge, like plank while watching Netflix, and encourage followers to tag you. Our overall experience with exercise.com is a breeze, says Julie Ledbetter, owner of Ledbetter Fitness. We love how easy it is to integrate this app with our current workflow. Focus on community building by tagging followers in posts or featuring them in stories. You can also easily engage with them via email, SMS, and in-app messaging with your own fitness app. Encourage them with form and workout feedback. With exercise.com, you can even set up automations that send messages and release workouts automatically. Use Instagram's Close Friends feature to share exclusive workouts or tips with your most engaged followers. Create transformation posts, but add a playful caption like, "Warning, following this routine may result in spontaneous flexing." Provide value by sharing free tips, such as how to create an effective warm-up routine. Create your own unique fitness brand to make your fitness app stand out in a competitive market. Respond to feedback and adjust your strategy based on what your audience loves most. Keep captions short, engaging, and to the point, ending with a call to action. Post a funny behind-the-scenes clip, like a failed take of you dropping a dumbbell mid-recording. Celebrate follower milestones by posting a fun thank you video, like attempting 100 burpees for 10K followers. Ready to grow your Instagram gym influencer business? Make your own fitness app, sell workouts and digital fitness products. Message and market to your audience. Get the platform you need to run your entire fitness business in one place. Get a demo now!